wheel. Just move your body up and down. Inhale, slowly drop the chin down side, lift the legs up, toes active upward. Exhale, tuck the toes in. Just 2 more time only. Inhale, lift the leg up. Toes pointing, pull the leg up. Exhale. Okay, last one. Elbow a little more closer. Close to the together. Squeeze your hands. Elbows turning inside to the body. Here. Inhale. Exhale here. Now drop your chin down, pull the leg up. Inhale. Adjust the stomach on your navel, stretching your legs together from here. Toes pointed. Inhale. Stretch your legs together. Okay. Use the hollow back still. Use your hollow back. Yeah. Pull the leg up high more. Yes. Great. Breathe. Stay there. Get control. For safety purpose, we can use the blocks to not move the wheel. Pull the leg up more. Breathe. Stay. 1, 2. Slowly lose your lower back. Yeah. 3, 4. Breathe in and out. Yeah. Toes pointed. 5.